Wonderful, beautiful. We're here again today, here at Coral Bay, outside the Limani restaurant. And once again, we're gonna cook for you the most amazing dish. It's gonna be this one here. Look at that, lovely, lovely. Like a fillet steak, a nice big chunky piece of beef with some beautiful, beautiful Cypriot figs. And we're gonna make it with a wonderful teriyaki and ginger sauce. Now come close now, because I'm in a bit of a hurry today because my football team's playing in about 20 minutes, so hurry up, let's go. So look at that lovely piece of fillet steak, straight into the griddle pan, away we go. Go on, my son. I'm getting ready for the game. And straight over here on the left-hand side, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. That's wonderful. We're gonna put our beautiful figs. Listen to that, eh? It sounds like the roar of the crowd at the match. Lovely. Let's get those beautiful figs in there. That's really, really good. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to cook this beautiful piece of fillet medium rare, because I love it medium rare. And if nobody else likes it, that's their own problem, because I'm the only one that's going to eat it. I'm going to use ginger, garlic, some teriyaki sauce, some nice chili. And of course, while this is going on, you go and write down the recipe. I'm going to have a good chat with my mate George, the chef here, because we're going to have a little conference, and I'll see you in a minute, so see you later. Look at this beautiful, beautiful steak. Look at that, look at that. That is so wonderful. And look at it now, it's fusing together and all that beautiful meat. It's gonna be so lovely. I'm gonna tell you now what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call my mate George, the chef of the Limani. George!
Yes.
Hello, my friend. Yes,
it's good.
Poligala. Do you know means Yorogo? What do you think? Lokoumi in Greek means like a Greek delight. You know, this very beautiful, sweet thing, huh? Polioro, na?
Poliore. Malago.
Αυτό we're going to make it medium rare, φίλε μου. Και αυτό, this is our σίγα. Πολύ ωραίο. Τώρα we're going to make the sauce together with Mr. George. Alright, Γιώργο, κάνουμε τη σάλτσα.
Ναι.
Okay, τώρα, τούτον Γιώργο μου, τούτον το ginger. Μίλης το είσαι ωραίο. Ωραίο, να. This is a wonderful, wonderful piece of ginger. We put into our lovely, lovely sauce. We're now going to put a little bit of garlic. Το σκότο μας, Γιώργο μου, το σκόρδο μας. Lovely. Now we're going to add a little bit of pepper. Little bit of pepper there. And just a tiny bit of salt. And of course, without a doubt, this wonderful, wonderful teriyaki, which really I want to drink, but anyway. We're going to whack that lovely bit of teriyaki in there. That's lovely. That's lovely. Now, I think, George, what we're going to do, Philemo, and I'll mention a little cremidi. This is spring onion, cremidati. Pato messo George. There you go, in Greek. George is doing it in Greek for you. Go on, my son, Georgie. A little chili. Pataula messo Yorgo. All together, one big family. One bravo. Bravo, re George. Πολύ ωραίο, George. Μπράβο, φίλε μου.
Λύφεις τα χέρια σου να το.
Ναι, έλα, φίλε μου. Θα βάλουμε και λίγο κρεμόα μέσα. Μπράβο. Άντε, σωστά, έτσι, ωραία. Ώρα μου κάνεις το φούσου.
Αφεντικό είσαι εδώ, ό,τι θέλεις κάνεις.
That's what you shake it about, George. That's it, my son. Don't be afraid. Bravo, George. That's good. Look at that wonderful sauce. Look at that sauce, George, huh? Nice, huh, George?
Αυτό είναι να το τρως και να γλύφεις τα χέρια σου.
Listen, George says we're ready. I say we're ready, so let's go. Okay, now we're going to get this wonderful, look at these beautiful figs, okay? Put our lovely figs here. Look at those beautiful figs. Cheers, Georgie. Look at those beautiful, beautiful, beautiful figs. And what we're going to do now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get our beautiful piece of fillet. Look at that lovely fillet. That's wonderful. And now we're going to give the sauce. Look at that. This is a work of art. Just a few nice green leaves just on the side here. What do you think, Giorgos?
Πολύ ωραίο. Αυτό είναι να το βλέπει η μάνα και να μην το δίνει της κόρης.
Well, George is trying to say to me that we're the best chefs in Cyprus.
Το θέλει η μάνα την κόρη.